What's going on, everybody? I'm Joe from Zappos, and I've got the Racer from Tsukihoshi Kids. Now, first things first, these shoes are going to run a little big. So say if your little one wears a size 10, you'll want to size down to a 9.5 to get that proper fit. Now, these have a ton of awesome features. It's machine washable for one, so that's super convenient. It's crazy lightweight. You've got this easy to use hook and loop strap, and you don't have to worry about tying them because you have these stretch bungee laces right there as well. There's plenty of padding throughout the shoe. You've got this removable footbed, all that extra cushioning they're going to get in there, which is really nice. There's a convenient, look out. There's a convenient little pull tab back here on the back, making them even easier to get on and off. Then you have this flex joint outsole. You see it's kind of got little grooves up there in the front, and that's just going to get them a ton of flexibility out there on the playground. When your little one's ready to go fast, you got to get them the Racer. And when they're done going fast, and these shoes are all dirty, just throw them in the washer. Pretty great. I'm gonna go now. Bye.